Thanks for your LeadPal purchase. When you're logged into your LeadPal dashboard, the very first thing you want to do is to go to your training guide here. That's where you'll see our full training guides on how LeadPal works and how to use the software for leads generation. From this integration menu tab, you'll learn how to connect your autoresponder. To learn how to use any of the autoresponders we support directly, you can follow its video guides. And if you don't have an autoresponder that we support, you can use either HTML form method or connect via Zapier or webhook. You can click on any of their links to learn more. After watching the How to Connect Your Autoresponder with LeadPal, then you can do the integration from here or use the HTML embed form here. Click on Add New Integration to begin. Locate the autoresponder service you use here and connect using the method you learnt from here. After the integration, the next step is to create your campaign. We also have a well-detailed guide on how to do that here. I'll edit the first campaign I created so you can have an idea. Or you can also create from scratch. When you click on New Campaign, the next step is to name your campaign. You can also tag your campaign in order to differentiate it from others. The fallback URL is the redirect URL you want your visitors to see should they decide not to opt in or give you consent or click out of your LeadPal page. On the social login area, when you click on Edit, you'll be able to see all the social apps we support. You can enable or disable any social app, just like I disabled Facebook and LinkedIn here. You can also add or edit the app button texts. You can also drag and reposition any of the apps. If I want Apple to be at the very top, or if I want LinkedIn to come before Twitter, I can drag them from here. And you can upload your logo from here. Always enable this to allow your users to consent to your use of cookies. The autoresponder you set up at start will be required here for the lead syncing. Also, if you are using the HTML form method, you can link that here. After creating your campaign, your next step is to create your LeadPal link, which can be done by following our link guide here. From this guide, you'll learn how to generate your unique LeadPal link. Follow the guide to learn more, and we also have some text contents you can read through to understand how the setup works. Let me also guide you now on how to do that. When you click on the Link tab, next click on New Link, enter your target URL or landing page URL or any URL you want your visitors to see after they have subscribed to your newsletter or offer. This can also be your thank you page, your affiliate link, or any URL you plan to use for the lead magnet. You can also fetch the page meta tag. Also, select the campaign you created earlier from the campaign dropdown. If you have created a Refer a Friend campaign, you can also select it from this dropdown. But I will not select the Refer a Friend campaign right now because we've not created one. Also, you can upload your lead magnet or anything you are offering as an incentive for them to subscribe to your list. You have a maximum of 2 MB file upload size limit. Use this option if your target URL is different from your thank you or download page. And you can enter the download page text here. If you want to tag your link, you can do that here. Kindly follow the training guide here to learn more. Say you want to learn how to customize your page and other features. This is the unique link that you can drive traffic to or share for leads generation. And you can see or download your leads from here if you are not using Autoresponder for lead syncing. You can also share your link via any of these social icons. Another awesome feature I want to show you is how to create a LeadPal button. Please see this guide to learn more. To do that, hover over the settings icon and click on the button link. Say I want to embed just a Facebook button on my website. I'll copy these codes and paste where I want it to show on my website. Also, if I have an existing button or banner on my website with custom content or color, I can replace the URL with LeadPal href link. See the LeadPal button guide to learn more. To see your stats and links analytics, you can check it out here. To see the number of leads you've collected, the links and the pop-ups. To create a reminder, you'll need to follow the step-by-step guide to learn how this is done. Let me walk you through quickly on how to set up a reminder campaign. First, you need to click on the Reminder tab. Next is to connect your domain from where you want to embed the reminder on. Enter the domain or website URL here. Next is to click on New Pop-up to continue. We have two pop-up styles to select from. We have the Simple Reminder, and we also have the Event Type Reminder. The Simple Reminder allows your visitors to pick up a particular date they would like for you to remind them. This could be tomorrow, next week, or they can select their choice date. While the Event Type Reminder, this can be used for a webinar or scarcity type of event. The reminder can be scheduled for an hour, the next day, or in 2 days' time. The visitor can select when they would like to be reminded. And you can select the campaign from the drop-down here. If you have created a Refer a Friend campaign, you can also select it here. What this does, after scheduling, they will be redirected to where they can invite their friends. You can always follow this detailed guide on how to create a reminder campaign. And if you are a white label right user, you can learn how to set that up here. You can also access your bonuses from this tab. The Pixel and Tracking Guide can be found here, though this is for Luxury Edition users. Also, the Custom Social App, Custom Domain and Custom Links are for Pro users. With these guides, you'll learn how to use your own custom domains and create your own custom social apps. Instead of using this LeadPal URL, you can now use your own custom domain URL. Though you must have the Pro upgrade in order to have this feature enabled for you. You can upgrade from here if you've not. These whole features here are for Pro users. Also, on the Refer a Friend feature, we'll be uploading a detailed guide on how to set this up. This is a new feature we just added to LeadPal. The Refer a Friend guide will be added under the Create menu, which will make it the 5th tab on this menu. But in this video, I will still guide you briefly so you can have an idea of how it works and how to set it up for yourself. Let me edit one of the campaigns I have created earlier. First, you'll need to name your campaign. Next, click on the Reward tab. Under the Invitee Reward settings, you'll have to edit the email button. For this is where you'll need to add the reward you want to give to the invitee should they invite others to participate in your offer. If you are giving them a reward, you can always upload it here or add the download or thank you page URL here. While on the referrer settings, you can add as many referrers reward as you want. Let's assume that we want to set it up whereby if they refer just one person, they will get the reward we'll be uploading here. And I can also add another reward, where if they invite up to 5 participants, they will unlock another reward, say a free membership access for 1 month. The reward can be added from here. So if they invite just 1 person, they will unlock this reward. And if they invite 5 people, they will get the next reward. You can always click on each of the reward's email buttons to set it up. On the Page tab, this is the preview of the Refer a Friend page. And you can edit all the contents you see here. You can change the font colors. As you see here, you can edit the texts. Like, invite 2 of your friends to get a free training worth this. This image can be replaced from here. You can also change these texts from here. What this button does is it gives the visitor the choice to skip your Refer a Friend program to get to your thank you or download page. As you can see, this product is very easy to use. In 60 seconds, you can create a campaign. Connect it with your LeadPal link. Also, it's not mandatory that you must use the Refer a Friend feature. But you need to first figure what you want to achieve with your link before setting up your campaigns. If you don't wish to use the Refer a Friend feature, you don't have to select it and your link will still work perfectly. Kindly follow the training guides, though some of them do not have voiceovers. But it's really easy to follow the steps. And you can always read the text descriptions also. Once again, thanks for getting LeadPal. If you need any support whatsoever, don't hesitate to send us an email at support@leadpal.net. Thank you.